Mother, why did you send me off to America? The question I asked. Her reply was, child, you are talented. Go find a new start. She never liked to get a life and she want me get a better life. Jamaica crime rate escalate every day, death arise. Make a choice, migrate and get a wife. I link my uncle borrow for some money. Him say, see it, I go set it right. Make everybody nice. Michelle bought me my ticket the next day. Me get a flight. Why did you send me off to America at a time so cold? I've come to realize all that glitter isn't gold. And not everybody kind as I encountered harsh times. Tears streamed on my face as I write these lines in these poems. My love me picking them bad. And me seeing my kids smile. Progression in my mind, the Rocky Mountains I still climb, but give God thanks for life. Precisely, I'm still fine. Of course, I miss Jamaica badly. The warm Caribbean sunshine. It's not like we can't survive in the US, enough opportunities here. But I will not be fooled, racism still here, plus people dying everywhere. I miss my good old Jamaican food. GMO, a waste of time, traveling state to state, great, but me not in the right state of mind. I can't meditate great if me not have a space of mind, so I read words of wisdom. So nonsense not penetrate my mind. Why am I going to send me off to America? When more problem evolve, this woman pretending to be authentic. We find out that she's a real fraud. She tell me if me not am the ranking meat, we can't get the green card. Me tell her move her bumper clot. She start calling me retard. I will never stoop low. And this morning, if you know, any minute now, look back for me reach a yard. Why did he send me off to America? Look out and check the book out, people. Don't cry. Available on Amazon. If you are in the United States, inbox me and I'll send you a copy personal. Don't know. Message me if you want to buy one from me directly, or you can choose to get it from Amazon. Also, vote for me, Amaziyah the Great, aka Craig A. Kirkland, nominated Best Poet in the IRAMA International Reggae and World Music Awards. So support this and the joke this promoted, share this, let the world see and hear this. Tell them precisely, big respect to all fans, all family, all friends, greatness.